What's up everyone? Today we're gonna be learning how to play Connect 4. It's really simple, so we're gonna break it step by step. First, I'm showing you how to win the game. It's really easy. It's basically the same thing as the title. So all you gotta do is step 1. Get 4 in a row, diagonally, upways or sideways. Second step, just watch till the end of this video. Here is how to win. All you gotta do is put your pieces 4 in a row, diagonally, upways, sideways or any way you can see. So, if you've done this, then you just won cause you put her pieces 4 in a row sideways. Let me show you something else. I'm gonna show you the ways to win now, sideways, upways, and diagonally. First, I'ma explain what they all mean. So diagonally is like when you put your pieces on top of another piece to get it kinda flying, in a curved line. Sideways is when you put your pieces next to each other but flat on other pieces and not in a diagonal way like the curved line, it's like a straight line. Now I'ma show you what upways is in the example, just watch. Is like this where you put pieces on top of each other to make a straight line, but basically like sideways just in a line going up. See, this is what upways look like. And there is the introduction of what every piece means. That's where we were learning how to win, and the answer to that was upways, sideways, and comment if you know the last one. That was the first lesson. We are going through 2 to 4 more lessons of how to play Connect 4. For this next lesson, I'ma show you how to make good ways to win, also known as instant. Instant is where you find 2 ways to win at the same time, and our opponent can't block it, so you win instantly. The first way is to put 3 pieces next to each other sideways, like this. Because when she blocks one side, you put it on the other side. And that's one way to instant. Now I'ma fast forward real quick and show you a diagonal instant and explain. Let me tell you some fun facts while we're doing this. For those that didn't know, my name is actually I'ma. And second, I have 4 other channels: Sketch Drawing, Custard Blocks, Silent Evidence, and Custard Reacts. Now I'm finished and let me explain how it's instant. See over here, that's a way to win. And over here, that's also a way to win. So if he or she tries to block one way, I win with the other. Now let's move on to our next lesson, which is blocking other people ways to win. I'm going to show you an example of how to block other people ways to win, and what happens if they use instant on you. Let's get started. Now I'ma show you the easiest way to block someone from winning. If they put 3 pieces next to each other, then you block so they don't put a 4th, just like this. Is this video helpful? Cause if it is, remember to watch it over again and share to family, friends, and others. Anyway, whenever they put like this, you put in middle and block them. Because now they cannot win, and thanks to I'ma. Now that I'm finished telling you how to block them, now I'ma tell you what happens if you don't block them. I'm going to fast forward and set up an example of that and tell you more fun facts. Now that I'm setting up, I'll tell you a fun fact. In our Custard Blocks channel, we are making more brain rots, so go ahead and watch those while being subscribers. So here is what happens when you don't block them. All that happens is you lose and you have to restart. See here, you can't block them because they used instant on you. They put it there and can sing the 4 in a row song. Now we're gonna be focused on our next lesson, which is how to get a win streak and how to not lose it. I'm just gonna show you how to get a win streak. It's really easy. So all you have to do is win lots of matches, and when you win, you get a 1 win streak. First we'll be learning how to get a win streak. So the red just won and he now has a 1 win streak. There are plenty ways to play win streak. You can swap win streaks if you lose, or example, if you have a 3 win streak and you lose, then the other player has a 1 win streak and you have 0. So the red now has a 1 win streak, and let me show you how to get a 2 win streak. Now the red just won again and has a 2 win streak. Now, I'm gonna show you how you can lose your win streak. I'm just setting up the example of what happens. Here it is, the last final touch. So now yellow wins and the red loses his win streak and has a 0 win streak, whilst yellow now has a 1 win streak. That's all about the win streak, how to get